Hello, welcome back to Dee's Divine Tarot. Thank you for joining in with me today. We are, as you see, unboxing this Mythical Creatures deck. This is a deck of playing cards, but as some of you may know, and if you don't, you can very well use a deck of playing cards because that's essentially where they stemmed from, as tarot cards, okay? And we'll get into the particular, what each suit represents as far as in tarot. But anyways, we have the Mythical Creatures, and I already removed the plastic and cleared them. But here's the box. Okay. And let me come out a little bit. Okay. And this is what's on top of it. I hope you can see that. It says Egyptian King, Androsphinx, Queen, Emmet, Devourer of the Dead, Jack, Griffin, Ace, what is that? Serpapod? I don't know. And then North, I guess that's they're telling you who these figures are. So for the diamonds, and diamonds are, I love that, the eye there. Diamonds are pentacles, okay? And then clubs are wands. And the King Fenrir is wolf. Queen, I don't even know, is the serpent, some kind of serpent. The Jack is troll. And the Ace is dragon. Okay. And then here's the other side. So the spades are swords. And as you see, the King is Typhoon, King of monsters. Queen is Medusa, Gorgon. Jack is Minotaur. The Ace is Lernaean, Hydra. And then hearts are cups, okay? The King is Dragon. The Queen is Kirin. The Jack is, I don't even know. The Ace is Namahaj, I hope. Okay, cool. And then here's the back, just like the box. I honestly expected these to be more reflective. They're not really. They're just, because of the surface of the card, like, it's like a, what do you call it? Like a slick, I don't know, I think these are supposed to be waterproof, so it's just like a slick, it's not really metallic, so I don't even know how it's really coming off on camera, but, excuse me, I expected it to be more shimmery, okay, but anyway. And so, here is the first, this is the spades or swords, and this Ace is Lernaean Hydra. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And they're very thin, of course, you know, like a card deck, so that's nice. I might let my son use these. He loves Mythical Creatures and such. Big gamer, big time gamer. So anyway, here's the two of spades. As you see, these are silverish or gray. And the three of spades or swords. The four, of course, these are just like regular old playing cards. So honestly, just quickly go through these because you know what cards look like. And these all pretty much look the same. The only difference are the suits with the creatures, okay? Ooh, wow. That's pretty neat. This is giving me devilish vibes almost. This is Minotaur. Wow, this is Medusa. Yeah, she don't play that. She cutting out anything that's not serving her. And then this is, who is this? Typhoon, King of Monsters. Hope you can see all that good. Oh, that's nice. And this is hearts or cups. So this is Namahaj. Hope I'm saying that right. That's pretty dope. Okay, and you see what the hearts look like. So all of them are pretty much going to look like that until you get up to the rest of this court. I forgot to mention in the spades, or the sword suit, when you get to, the Ace is obviously the Ace, right? In tarot. When you get to the Jack, this is like the Knave. So I like to think of it as a mixture, a combination between the page and the swords, because you don't have because you know it goes Jack, Queen, King, so you don't have the page and the knight court cards in a playing card deck, right? So that's how I see the Jack is the combination of the two. And this is pretty cool. This looks like the Sphinx, and I believe this is Pixiu, Pixiu, however you pronounce that, but this is giving me Sphinx vibes. Oh, that's gorgeous. And this is Killin. Wow. And this is the dragon. Perfect. Oh, now that look like you don't mess with that. They see it coming. So this is the pentacles. These are diamonds, okay? This is Serpapard. And then the all-seeing eye. I love it. Pretty cool deck. And then this is, I hope you can see it, Griffin. This is, ooh, that looks funky. Emmet, Devourer of the Dead. That looks like something that'd be on, what's the movie? Jurassic Park, but it was, that's not really what, I guess it is Jurassic Park. And then, oh, there goes our Sphinx. Androsphinx. Beautiful. Royalty. Ooh, that's pretty dope. Look at that. That's a trifecta. Love it. So this clubs are Wansu, and this is Fafnir or Dragon. And of course you see all these are going to be the same until we get to the rest of the courts. Okay, come on. They're so slick. Okay, and then we have, ooh, okay, just going to leave that there. And this is Giant Troll, Jotnar. It looks funky. And then, oh, we have, I can't even pronounce that name, but there it is right there. The Queen, Midgard Serpent. That's what we're going to say. And then the King is Fenrir, the Wolf. Fierce. And then, of course, just like any other playing card deck, we have two jokers. And the jokers represent the Fool. So, whew, excuse me. If you are using a playing card deck, of course, all you would need is one joker if you're using it for tarot. And honestly, you probably can have it be whatever you want it to be, but generally the joker is the Fool. There are no, what am I trying to say? Major arcana in playing cards, obviously, so besides the Fool. So there you go, and that's this deck. So just like with all the other decks, I'm going to shuffle, and I generally just leave, I'm going to just leave it in here, both of them, the jokers, I mean, and we'll just shuffle really well and see what message Spirit has for us from this deck. Okay, just give me a minute, let me shuffle these really well, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention, and I know it probably doesn't look like it because I have it zoomed in, but the deck itself is really small, fairly small. It's not your average size card deck, so it's really probably about 2 inches wide by maybe 2.5 to 3 inches in length or height. So 2 this way and probably about 3 or 2.5, 3 this way. So not very big, but which is, I like it. I mean, you know, I'm not impartial to small decks. I actually like it. It's very easy to shuffle. They are slick, so you probably got to be careful if you're not an avid, or I ain't gonna say avid shuffler, but if you're not, if you're just learning, they might fly everywhere. So just be careful, okay? So let's. Oh, that was fast. Thank you. Wow. Okay. So we have, and I generally don't read playing cards in reverse. So we have the 9 of Cups, the 8 of Wands, and the 8 of Cups. That is interesting. Double confirmation with those 8s. And then the bottom of the deck is, wow, Medusa, Queen of Swords. So, like I said before, she's not playing no game. She's cutting through what no longer serves her. And that's so funny because I was just getting ready to say, even before flipping this over, is that something previously that you may have thought was a wish fulfillment or that you truly wanted. Because, and what's interesting is, one of the decks I did earlier, it kind of was that same message. It was like something that you were once committed to and loved, you had to take a break from and walk away from with this Eight of Cups energy, right? And it probably happened rather quickly with everything that's going on, which is very, very, very interesting. Or you may have even gotten word about something that you once thought was your wish fulfillment. But the thing is, as we grow and mature and develop, it's like we change, right? And that's perfectly okay. But the biggest thing is to always remain your true authentic self, right? And don't ever sacrifice that. Like, even if especially if you're ascending and on a higher, more mature level, and it's not saying that you can't be, because you should be in that childlike energy, where that playful energy, to bring in your manifestations quickly. But what I'm saying is, if it's no longer true to you, if you don't resonate with it any longer, let it go, walk away. And that's what you've done, or the advice is to do so. Okay. Yeah, because look what's next, and that's beautiful. Because you're going to have your material manifestation and your wish fulfillment even greater with this queen. She's that motherly, earthy, grounded, stable type of energy. So I see this may have something to do with this particular individual, or you're coming into balance, you know what I'm saying, within yourself. Yeah. And this followed, which is the Five of Swords, which is being mentally conflicted, whether you're deceiving yourself, playing mind games yourself, or what, or somebody else doing that to you. Because I do see this as, this could be two different people. I feel this strongly as this is you, viewer, for sure. But maybe some motherly figure in your life, has been playing mind games on you, right? Trying to keep you in a pent up, stuck energy. But you're defending what is true to you, because this is you strongly. This could potentially be an earth sign, Virgo, Cap, or Taurus. And this could potentially be another air sign if this is you, or even if it isn't you. What am I trying to say? Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. But yeah, it's like, defend your truth. Because look what you have. Finally, we're going to leave it here. This may have to do with some type of inheritance or abundance. Like, family, something that may have been willed to you. Or you just obtaining this for your personal, like your immediate family. So you really don't have anything to worry about, because if you do, like I said initially, once you truly decide to walk away and let it go because it no longer serves you, and some of you, I see this as honestly just continuing on your spiritual journey, because that's what the Eight of Cups can also embody, like walking towards and moving towards your higher purpose, and that will is ultimately your soul's mission and your wish fulfillment, right? And you're making drastic changes. You may have even spoken up to this particular Queen of Pentacles, if that isn't you embodying that energy. You understand what I'm saying? And that has led to rapid changes in your life. But it's all good. Like, I feel it. It's really, really, really good. And I'm proud of you. That's amazing. But that's all I have, you guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it does, please don't hesitate to leave your comments and testimonies down below. As always, please stay healthy, wealthy, and wise. Don't forget to spread love and light, and everything will be all right. Until the next one, I love you, and I thank you for tuning in. Peace.